When we talk about the relationship between the safety culture and the performance, it is a very important relationship which we have to see. And under this, we can see the two most important terms, which is the positive culture and the negative culture. So, positive culture means in this company it shows the strong policy and the strong management, and it shows that everyone wants to work safely. While negative culture, if you talk about the negative culture, you can see the health and safety is not given much importance by the people, and the people there are also poorly educated. So if we talk about the positive culture, like in an organization, if you see, it will be like the majority of the workers think and feel that health and safety is important. So there will be a strong policy and a clear leadership from the top, because senior management have the attitude which runs through the whole organization from top to bottom. Managers think about the health and safety implications of their decisions, and their workers share the same view and they work safely. So this is what it is there in positive culture. But if you think about the, if you talk about the negative culture, in an organization with a negative safety culture, the majority of workers think and feel the health and safety is not important, and they are poorly educated in health and safety and see it as unnecessary or unimportant. So this is the, and even the managers do not think about health and safety in their decision making, and so they let other priorities to come and take over on their actions. Seeing another question, what are the health and safety indicators of an organization? So in health and safety indicators in an organization are the accident, the absenteeism, the sickness rates, the staff turnover ratio, the compliance with the safety rules in your company, and the working conditions. Is there any complaints about the working conditions or not? So we will be discussing about first the accidents. So accidents, how? So accident is a very important health and safety indicator of an organization, because if in a company, if your accident rate is increasing every year, it shows your company is not having a positive health and safety culture. Because increasing number of accidents means the people are not following up the rules and regulations, they are not following up the health and safety rules. Similarly, how you can measure this accidents. So the first thing is like you have to compare your organization's the previous year's accident ratio. How is it increased compared to your previous year? If your accident ratio for this year is more than that of your previous year, again it means you are into negative, you are showing a negative health and safety culture. But if your accident ratio is less than compared to the previous year, it shows you are showing the positive health and safety culture. Similarly, the another factor is the benchmarking. The benchmarking with other organizations, like you can set a standard with your competitors or with other organization. Or for example, if you are working in GCC, so the government of each GCC, they will set a accident. They will be releasing every year the accident rates. Accident rates will be released. So you have to compare what is your organization stand. You have to see you have to check for the benchmarking in that scenario, and if your rate is less than that of that benchmark, then it shows the positive safety culture. If your accident rates are more than that of that value, more than that of the benchmark, then it shows negative safety culture. But if you are keeping less accident rates, it shows the positive safety culture. Similarly, also with the positive safety culture, the company will be giving more effort into investigating the accidents. They will be writing the proper investigation reports. They will be introducing a follow-up actions to prevent these accidents again in future. But if the company is having the negative safety culture, as I said, the company will be not doing any accident investigations. Their reports will be of very poor quality, and they don't do any follow-up actions. We have the absenteeism rate. Absenteeism means to take leave from the work, to not be present on the site. So what it shows, it indicates workers are either not able or not willing to come to work. So if they are not able it might indicate that they are suffering the ill health, which is caused by different conditions. So if they are not willing, it indicates they are withholding their labor for some other reasons. So this is usually caused by the poor workforce morale, which in turn can sometimes be linked to poor safety culture. So that is what, if the more people are absent in your company, it shows the negative culture in your company, because people are not interested to work. Then we have the sickness rate, a lot of ill health related issues. For example, in many countries, a huge number of working days are lost because of back pain, and significant proportion of that back pain will have been caused or made worse by the work which the individuals are doing. So all these back pains, the diseases will be through the work what they do. So the sickness rates, which also shows the positive and the negative culture of your organization. Staff turnover. So in staff turnover, if your company is having a positive safety culture, it means the people will stay in your company. They will not try to change your company organization. But if it is a negative culture, obviously people will be start looking for some other jobs. They will leave your company. So this staff turnover ratio, how many people are going, they are coming, they are leaving your company, it shows the positive and the safety. It shows the positive and the negative safety culture of a company. Compliance with safety rules. So in an organization with positive safety culture, the majority of the workers or the majority of your workforce, they wanted to work safely, so that they can comply with the safety rules and the procedures which are laid down by the management. But if they are not, if it is a negative safety culture, then the people won't follow any safety rules. They will go against your safety rules. The working complaints about the working conditions. If your company is having a positive culture, the workers or the workforce in your company won't complain about the working conditions, because the company will be already taking care of that. But in case of negative safety culture, what will happen? Your workers will be always complaining about the work, about the resources, about the management and all. So that is also an indicator.